maraming salamat sa mga tao na nagdala ng shackle dito, guys. Okay, they're getting ready na to see everyone. But thank you so much to our producers, glam dancers, ayun mga ate natin, thank you so much mga ates for bringing Siakal. And of course, together with John's production as well. And of course, hindi din po posible kung wala tayong mga sponsors ngayon. So, thank you so much Sir Fred Cuisine, Golden Lechon, Tropang Ilonggo, Jaina Alano, Mitsibil, Atlas Immigration Consultant, UMAC Toronto, Pinnacle Vitality Rehab, Canada Windows and Doors, Rem Pascual, Zoe Collectives, Aptitude Entertainment, The Unstoppable Dance Group, of course, I&I Power Dance Fitness, Dog Streamers Academy, VN Gift Shop by Ava Cuisine, Yummy's Catering, Mark 1124 Photography, and Cloud Wind Photo Booth. And speaking of photo booth, guys, libre po ang photo booth natin sa labas. So make sure, kung may dala kayong mga friends, families, barkadas, magpa-photo booth kayo ngayon, di ba? Para masaya kayo souvenir, di ba? Kung kayo lang nag-iisa na kayo, okay lang din yun, di ba? Solo flight, di ba? Gusto naman kayo ng maging solo flight, di ba? And then, at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, marami po tayong mga binibentang mga pagkain dyan. To support our vendors, make sure busog kayo para mamaya full energy tayo pagdating ng ating banda, okay? And if you want to make it extra memorable, bumili kayo ng memorabilias, ladies and gentlemen. May nagbibenta yata ng mga Siakal t-shirts, okay? Pwede nyo papirmahan yan mamaya kung meron kayong VIP or kung sponsor kayo. Pwede nyo papirmahan sa legendary band na Siakal, okay? And of course, marami pa tayong mga entertainers, guys, ha? Pero, of course, we want to make sure that everybody's enjoying and comfortable right now. I think, pwede naman tayo mag-break a little bit to hear from one of our sponsors. Let me ask our ladies over there, let me put them on the spot. Vina and May from Aptitude Entertainment. Do you think you're ready to come up here on stage or pwede tayo dito sa baba? Kung gusto nyo magsalita or mag-invite ng mga tao. Okay, dito kayo, sa taas tayo. Palakpakan natin, guys, ang nagkagandahan ng mga representative ng Aptitude Entertainment. Later on, we're going to see si Box Ralph na pumunta siya dito na. Alright? Si Vina and of course si May.